Hi kids, I'm Dave from the Best Dual Sport Bikes channel. Now look, I have my KLX 300, which I love. We do the ECU remapping on them. I've always kept it around. It's one of my favorite bikes just to have. A number one question that really comes in on these particular bikes is why won't my bike start all of a sudden? My bike runs intermittent, my bike just shuts off. You know, and most of the times, a lot of the times, it's the battery. So we have new batteries now for all these bikes. For the KLX 250 and 300, headlight and non-headlight version, the Honda CRF 250 and 300 bikes, we have a much better battery than stock. And the reason that you would want to replace it is one, well, it's about 5 pounds lighter than stock, which is nice because it's high weight. Two, it's relatively cost effective at about 110 bucks. Three, you have higher amp hours, you have many more cranking amps to turn the bike over all the time, turn it over faster, start easier, idle better, provide better electricity to all the systems. It starts easier in colder weather. So that stuff is all a plus, but it also doesn't fail. On the stock ones, a lot of times, you know, if one of the cells is starting to poop out and the thing just doesn't want to charge or doesn't produce the voltage or amperage anymore that's needed, it won't even start. Your bike will still turn over, but it won't turn fast enough, and the bike won't start. You'll be out there riding, and the bike may just shut off or get sputters for no reason. If you're losing a cell in here and you're starting to lose voltage, well, you know, your fuel pump isn't going to produce fuel, and then now the bike has issues. It might just shut off, it might sputter. So that's a big thing that's going on, and when people replace the batteries, all those problems go away. Why you'd put a stock one back in there, I don't know. Let's face it, they're cheap bikes, they're cost-effective bikes. They're not going to spend a lot of money on a good battery on a bike that costs about $5,500. So just get you a good one, cover your butt. It's the only friend that you've got out there. BS brand lithium max, which you get at bestdualsportbikes.com. Well, I hope you have a great day, and pretty soon I'm going to take my KLX 300 bike out there again and just start making more videos on it because they're cool.